I was a mama's boy, literally. Avada chenna boy. Everything was adverse. The weather was adverse. The language was there. Extensive ragging. Our dormitory le jeevitham, chapati, ellam kude, and no connection with our home. Also, because anna namakku mobile illa onnu illa. We were in real distress. Appo aa samayathe who really came to us is our seniors. Though korchu rag chedu adu kayinittu every evening, Pillen, Jeshum, Madhum, Madhu, the way he used to come, Sibi Michael, Sibi, the whole gang, Firoz, Murli, everybody used to come, they took turns and come and make sure that we were all comfortable, So that particular thing that we learned from there has remained in us, and after that, when we became seniors, it became our duty to support our juniors, So that as we kept doing it for years, nammal endu padikkanam etra padikkanam pass avan every advice, and also even in the evening chai kudikkan kondonu nammal beef aayittu jeevichovane beef thappi ponu. So they made sure that we were comfortable. So this has got into the blood of all of us, so that is when I realized that any junior comes to us, you go really out of the way to help them, and why do we do that is because that bonding has existed. We don't really care whether they studied with us or they lived with us, or they were in our 8-year window or not. So if we all have that feeling within us, if we can invoke that and take it to the next level, that is what I thought the Skisha should do. So അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇത് ഫോർമലൈസ് ചെയ്യില്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താ പറ്റുന്ന വെച്ചാൽ it will become a group based thing, batch meets, ഇപ്പൊ നമുക്കിത് ഇപ്പൊ രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യാൻ it took one hell of an effort. കഴിഞ്ഞ 3 മാസമായിട്ട് ഇവരെ നമ്മളെ വലിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. ആ പേര് കീശാന്ന് കിട്ടാൻ പറ്റിയ പാട്, അത് കേരള എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് അസോസിയേഷൻ എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവർ തരൂല. പിന്നെ കീശ അലുമിനിയം ആക്കി, കീശ എന്താന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇത് തന്നെ കീശയാണ്, ഒന്നും അല്ലാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് അങ്ങനെ അതിന് ഒരു മീനിങ് ഇല്ലാണ്ട് ആക്കിയപ്പോ അന്നാ തരാം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് അങ്ങനെയാണ് ആ അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് മടുത്തുപോയി. So but it is so important that we have to have that Keesha with us. ജയ്പൂർ പോലും എഴുതാൻ സമ്മതിച്ചില്ല, കീശ എന്ന് മാത്രമേ എഴുതിച്ചുള്ളൂ. So that is, അപ്പൊ ആ ഒരു ഇമോഷൻ നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിലുണ്ട്, and that emotion we have to really bring it to other people who are there, not because we all need anything, but when we are in need, specifically if Prasad boss is retiring, what can we do which can help him to run his business, or somebody coming from the Gulf, he wants help. People out here can help. If I question endengilu avashyam undengil, I go back to question and say I want this. He's got hajar connections, he'll just get the thing done, and or he'll tell me the right direction. So it doesn't stop with our own lives, it also goes to our children. So if ഞാൻ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ മക്കൾക്ക് പോലും എന്തെങ്കിലും അഡ്വൈസ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ I always ask them to go and talk to them. I introduced my son to Murli when I went to the US. And when I went to the US, when my son went to the US, he had the freedom to talk to our people there. Shaidun and Mikil. Okay, അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ I think ആ ഒരു ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത്. So what we thought is, ഞാൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ what is our plan ahead? നമ്മൾ വെറുതെ ഉണ്ടായി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് പിന്നെയും it should not be a get together stuff. What we should do. So Kushan said, okay, let us list out. I think he'll spell it out, saying that what should be our agenda, what we should do as far as Keesha is concerned. So, and I think we all should stay connected. Not that WhatsApp works for communication, but it doesn't really bring bonding. We have to meet, at some time. So wherever in local locations where people meet, നമുക്ക് അതിനെ formalize ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കണം. So that as a family, we should go down to different batches. Even juniors also should be able to connect. ഇന്നിപ്പോ MRSയിൽ ആ കീശ പരിപാടി ഇതില്ലാന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. But even then, the new people who are coming from Kerala, if they want if they want to connect back with us, we should try to reach them. So ആദ്യം തന്നെ നമുക്കൊരു ഉള്ള ടാസ്ക് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ ഈ 30-year വിൻഡോയിലുള്ള എത്ര ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്, how do we get them to become members? So we also have to decide on a membership fee, so that there is some commitment to it, saying that you're a member. Subscription fee, which is a part of this membership. And then we are also thinking about what kind of events to be done. Now we will subsequently discuss, which Kochizar will talk about, so that we make a plan on this. So talking about me, I run a business. I'm in software. I've been around here for. Testimonial പറയാണെങ്കിൽ every step of my life, Keisha has helped me. The first person who borrowed, who gave me money to start my business is the Pillai sitting here. I could ask him for 5,000 rupees. Kannabutti, he sent it to me. And then after that, when I started my business, I needed guidance. Good idea, I was just 23 years old. I didn't have a clue what to do. The person whom I had to bounce off ideas was Joseph. I used to ask him, so Joseph will say, you should not do this, you should try this. So you need people who can actually tell you what is the right thing, because they'll always think good for you. About Joseph in the episode, when I wanted to go ahead with whatever I was doing in terms of the product, I had people to each time I should speak to Pandi. They're all juniors. They are 4-5 years junior to me. I still used to talk to them and say, ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഫീച്ചർ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയാൽ നിന്റെ ബിസിനസ്സിൽ ഇത് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യോ so he will tell me either this is not practical, this is good. So what I'm saying is, in the walk of life, you need people to bounce off ideas and your thoughts. Then you will get to know genuine answers coming out for there. When I wanted to get my first order abroad, Pillai helped me, gave me an intro to his company. I managed to make the sale. I got it done. That gave me a lot of confidence to take a business from India to go abroad. Wherever I had to go, Calgary, Bono, CBA, but I could talk to Suresh. I had to go to Houston, AGT, Roy. I had to go to New York, Rajesh Joseph. Whole lot of people everywhere. Wherever wherever you need help, you have people. ഒരു നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് നമുക്കത് ഇൻവോൾവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റണം. And people should have the freedom to talk. ഞാനിപ്പോൾ പോളിനോട് over time we have created that access. അതുപോലെ it doesn't matter, നമുക്ക് ഏത് ജൂനിയർ ആണെങ്കിലും you should be able to say, why don't I talk to this boss, or my son has got to study this, is this a good option, can I use that information. Information is king. That ആരുടെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് അത് ഹെൽപ്ഫുൾ ആണെങ്കിൽ that will really help. So എൻ്റെ ഹിസ്റ്ററി പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ everything I try to vet it with my friends from only MREC or Keisha, so that I am sure that what I'm doing is right. Whether to put money on something, whether any new business is done, any new idea I have, everywhere I would prefer this. So I would like, and my testimony is really the truth, and I keep telling people, please use this network. This network is very powerful, and everybody does something for others without expecting anything. That is the beauty of it, because whatever I want to do, I'll do for you, because as juniors we got supported by seniors who helped us, and that has gone into our blood, and that is the reason why I'm doing this. So that is the primary reason we set this up, and I'm hoping that we will all use it to the best possible way and make this a very successful group to go on. And I have 3 children. I have my son studying in US, my daughter studying in Ireland, and the younger fellow who's in 10th standard studying here in Rajgiri. I live in Kochi. 10 years old. 10-year-old who's studying. 10-year-old who's studying in 5th standard. And my wife works with me. Wife has started a new business which is called Vertigrow. You'll hear about it as you go along. It just happens, and why does it happen? You have people to go and talk and say, will this work, will this not work? Somebody will tell you an idea, you have reasons to bounce it off. So we are happy here, and I travel all around the world. Every time I go and meet my seniors who are there. I know that was the most shocking thing. Joe's boss in the Koda, Mustan sir, Jaipur. I went for a conference. I was talking, paper presentation. But he said, where are you from? I'm from India, blah, blah, blah. Where did you study? So he said, Jaipur. So he said, Jaipur? I am from Jaipur too. MREC. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോ ആൾക്കാരല്ലേ നോക്കാം, അവിടെ ആൾക്കാർ കെട്ടിപ്പിടിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വിചാരിക്കും മറ്റേ ഗെയ് നടത്തിയായിരിക്കും. We just hugged each other, you know. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് कौन सी बैच का है? जोश का बैच है. Oh, ये so I put a picture of that. But that is what it involves a lot of emotions, you know. And that, I think നമ്മുടെ പ്രായം അങ്ങനെ it's getting more emotional. So we should probably use this opportunity to connect.
Association ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ you may not even know who is Joseph.
Absolutely, absolutely. അപ്പോൾ I've gone back and connected with this, and everybody should take a little effort trying to connect with your batch, guys. And if anybody has any reservations, we'll fix it. Because see, unless people get value, people don't stay in a connection. Because WhatsApp group, ചവറാണെങ്കിൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്, ഓ ഇനി ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ആണെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചായിരിക്കും മാറുന്നത്. But here, if you give value to them, 100% people will stay in the network, and we should give value. Other നമ്മുടെ effort ആണ്, നമ്മൾ as people who are here, we should think about what we should do so that they get value from it. And you know, I'm also trying to get some app which can be set up. Now, you know, I think we all have to think through it so that the connection is, remote connection was great. You know, we should do this. We look at practical out. You know, although they are part of it, they are able to see us, they are able to engage with us, and we have to look at you know, half brick and mortar, half digital, but we have to stay connected. You know, anything. So thank you very much, and let's the next one.
ഇവിടേക്ക് തിരിച്ചു വെക്കാം.